Car guys usually have a lot of tools, but unfortunately we can't take them all with us every time we go on a drive. So today I'm going to go over to select tools that I take with me everywhere I go. Some items I keep up in the cabin of the car are a nice set of polarized sunglasses, a baggie of change, some pens, a USB cord for my phone, a wall outlet in case I need my phone charged at work, some sort of Bluetooth dongle in case your car doesn't have Bluetooth or just anything with USB ports to charge devices, a squeegee, especially useful if you have to park your car outside, a microfiber towel, just never know when you might need it, and then some spare napkins. Some larger items I keep under the floor of the trunk is a towel or a seat cover. This one actually has a hole in the top of it to cover my seat in case I go to the gym or the beach. I have a large umbrella so that I can cover both myself and a passenger. And then I have a sun visor. If you live in the South, this is a really good investment to protect your dash for the summer. And this is a kit that I take with me no matter where I'm going. I have a box cutter, flat and Phillips head screwdrivers, some gloves to keep my hands clean, jumper cables, a roll of paper towels, some empty grocery bags, a first aid kit, a flare, tire gauge, sewing kit, needle nose pliers. We have a multi-tool, a Swiss Army knife, and just a regular knife, a LED flashlight, some ibuprofen, electrical tape, duct tape, fix-a-flat. This is a last resort, but if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere, it could be helpful. A small air compressor, glass cleaner, another microfiber towel, scissors, an adjustable wrench, some scrap wire, backup batteries for the flashlight, and a full socket set. This has 3/8 and 1/4 inch drive with some Allen keys and some various other bits. Now, this is just what I take. You could definitely add or subtract to this. You may also have some car-specific tools, like if you have a German car, you're going to want some Torx bits, whereas if you have a Japanese or American car, that may not be an issue for you. And while this looks like a lot of stuff, and it looks like it would hard to be carried around, I store all of it in just this plastic tub that I got at the grocery store. You're not going to be able to fix everything with these tools, but this will fix most small to medium common problems that you might have with your car, like a blown hose, a dead battery, or changing a tire. If for some reason your car doesn't come with one from the factory, or if it's missing, I would add a scissor jack to this kit. While I wouldn't crawl under a car supported by a scissor jack, I would definitely use one to change a tire. And here's everything packed up nicely in this small box. I take it everywhere I go, whether I take the 350Z or the BMW, I just sit in the trunk, and I've got everything that I could possibly need. So if you guys have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next week.